So in today's video, what I want to cover is how can you find out how much life insurance the top banks in the United States own. So all of this information is published publicly on the FDIC website. Now, I will note that it's not a simple Google search to get to the page that I'm at. You really have to do digging. So I'll put the link in the description of the site or the page of the FDIC website that I'm on right now. I'll go in the top bar here. It's banks.data.fdic.gov slash bank find hyphen suite slash financial reporting. That's the link you're going to need to do what I'm about to show you today. So anyway, first thing you're going to want to do is under Bank Suite, go down to Financial Regulatory Search and Reporting. Click on that there. Once you're at this page, the next step is you'll see on the left-hand side, bank name slash cert. Click on that drop-down menu, and then you're going to see search type. Click on that again and change it to bank name. So now when you click on enter bank name, you can search any bank that you want. So first bank that came to mind was Wells Fargo. So I'll search Wells Fargo and I'll click enter. And then on the right-hand side over here, you'll see the institutions pop up. So I'm going to click this top one, Wells Fargo Bank. Now, when you're at this report or you're at this next page, what you're going to want to click is report type, select the report, and click on assets, liabilities, and capital. And on the right-hand side, you'll see under selectable details, it should default to the most recent report. So I'm recording this video on May 7th of 2025. The most recent report is Q4 of 2024. So I'm not going to touch that. I'm just going to leave it. After you have all that selected, click on generate report. You're going to see this report pop up where you're going to want to go to find out how much life insurance this bank has. And I'll zoom in a little bit. Is under total liabilities and capital, click that drop down menu. And then you're going to see memoranda, assets, liabilities, and equity. Click on that. And then right here, I'll zoom in a little bit. You're going to see life insurance assets. So if you follow that all the way across, and I'll try to highlight it in gray here. So in gray, you'll come over here. That's 18 point, almost $18.4 billion worth of life insurance that Wells Fargo has. Like that's an insane amount. And that's just one bank. So if you want to find this information about any bank, just come here, search the bank name. I'll do one more with you guys. So I'll backspace and go back to the main menu that we were at. I'm going to change the bank name. I'm going to do Bank of America. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure they're the number one holder of life insurance in the United States for as of right now. So I'll type in Bank of America, and then I'm actually going to sort it by total assets. There we go. That top one's the one we want. I'll click on that, Bank of America. I'll change the report, or I'll change the report to assets, liabilities, and capital. It's on the most recent report, Q4 of 2024. I'll generate the report. I'll come down to total asset or total liabilities and capital, and then memoranda, assets, liability, and equity. And then here you have it. I'll highlight it in gray. Bank of America has $24.3 billion worth of life insurance. Like that's just think about that. Like that's crazy. And you got to ask yourself, why do these top banks have billions and billions of dollars worth of life insurance? Well, most likely I haven't been able to find any information personally on the exact reason why. I would imagine they're insuring, a big part of it is they're insuring key executives within the bank. So if that executive passes away, a huge death benefit is going to flow back to the bank, income tax free. It's an asset on their balance sheet. It's tier one capital, the tax advantages of it, the liquidity. They have access to that cash and the policy. Though that's my guess on why they have so much money in these policies. But anyway, I hope this video was helpful. This is something that I personally was trying to find out for a long time, and it took a lot of digging to get this information. So if you want to find out what bank has life insurance or how much, you just come to this website. I'll have the link in the description of this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll catch you in the next video.